Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to download Notepad++ on Windows 11. From this page, just scroll down and click here to download the setup file for Notepad++. You will get a link in the description below. Then on this page, just select this section and you need to download the latest version of Notepad++. So click on it. As per your system configuration, just select download file. So I'm going to select 64-bit x64 and then gonna click on installer. It will start download executable file. Once done, simply click on executable file and then start the installation process. So click here, then select S. Now you need to select language. Okay, so click on OK, then simply click on next. Now select I agree option. Now from here you can select destination folder, then click on next. Again select next option and just check this box to create a shortcut on desktop, then click on install. It will take some time to complete this process and then check this box and select finish. Here we go. That's it guys. Finally we downloaded Notepad++ on our Windows 11 and you are good to go.